Navratri is worshipped in different ways in India. Some people fast, establish kalash, do kirtan, make new rangoli every day, or do Kanya Pujan of girls on Navami. Navratri, in full Sharad Navratri. In Hinduism, major festival held in honor of the Divine Feminine. Navratri occurs over 9 days during the month of Ashwin. It often ends with the Dashera, also called Vijayadashmi, celebration on the 10th day. In some parts of India, Dashera is considered a focal point of the festival, makes it effectively span 10 days instead of 9. Additionally, as Navratri depends on the lunar calendar, in some years it may be celebrated for 8 days, with Dashera on 9th. There are 4 similar festivals also called Navratri, which are held at various stages of the year. However, the early autumn festival, also called Sharad Navratri, is the most significant. It begins on the same day as Durga Puja, a 10-day festival devoted to the victory of goddess Durga, which is particularly celebrated in certain eastern states. Navratri is celebrated differently in India's various regions. For many people, it is a time for religious reflection and fasting, while for others it is a time for dancing and feasting. Among fasting customs are observing a strict vegetarian diet and abstaining from alcohol and certain spices. Dances performed include Garba, especially in Gujarat. Typically, the festival's 9 nights are dedicated to different aspects of the divine feminine principle or Shakti. While the pattern varies somewhat by region, generally the first third of the festival focuses on the aspects of the goddess Durga, the second third on the goddess Lakshmi, and the final third on the goddess Saraswati. Offerings are often made to be goddesses and their various aspects, and rituals are performed in their honor. One popular ritual is Kanya Pujan, which takes place on the 8th or 9th day. In this ritual, 9 young girls are dressed as the 9 goddesses, celebrated during Navratri, and are worshipped with the ritual foot washing and given offerings such as food and clothing. Among some followers of the goddess Durga, who are particularly prominent in Bengal and Assam, the festival is known as or coincidence with the Durga Puja. Special images of Durga commemorating her victory over the buffalo-headed demon Mahishasur are worshipped daily. And on the 10th day, Dashera, they are taken in jubilant processions to nearby rivers or reservoirs for immersion in water. In addition to family observance, the puja or ritual days are also celebrated with public concerts, recreations, plays and fairs. In some regions, Dashera is collated into Navratri, and the entire 10-day celebration is known by that name, whether throughout the festival or as the 10th day. Dashera is a time to celebrate the triumphs of the god over evil, such as Durga's victory on Mahishasur. In some parts of India, Dashera is associated with the victory of the god Ram over the demon king Ravan. In northern India, the Ram Leela is the highlight of the festival. On successive nights, different episodes of the epic poem, the Ramayana, are dramatized by young actors, elaborately costumed and masked. The pageant is always climaxed by the burning of the huge effigies of the demons. Athletic tournaments and hunting expeditions are often organized. Some celebrate by erecting bonfires and burning effigies of Ravan, which are sometimes stuffed with fireworks. In many regions, Dashera is considered as a spacious time to begin educational and artistic pursuits, especially for children. How you celebrate Navratri and Dashera? Please let us know in the comment section. If you really enjoyed the video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon in the next video.